Lebanese-American businessman who cooperated with Robert Mueller's investigation, whose name appeared more than 100 times, was arrested Monday on charges of transporting child pornography. Nader, who reportedly has ties to former aides to President Trump and has served as an advisor to Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates, is accused of transporting a dozen images of child porn and bestiality, according to federal prosecutors who announced that the 60-year-old was arrested Monday morning, JFK International Airport in New York. So,
WSM. WRUS. Well, this is Jake Wells. I will see you guys on the farm. Other than needing the cabinet cleaned and new grill cloth, she is done. That and maybe a new speaker wiring harness. Well, you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.